Thursday marks World Mental Health Day, and people around the world are being encouraged to speak up about their mental health. And in Winchester, they are exploring mental health through a person's creativity.
We're going to be looking at World Mental Health Day. I'm actually at Thrive Cafe in Oliver's Battery, and I've pivoted a mini mindful mark making. So you can come in, get yourself a free tea and coffee, have a go making your marks. We've got a little self-care jar where you can pick up a little thing and say what's going on, self-care, and just basically be part of the community.
With a community focus, the day was attended by residents and tourists alike. And for Deborah, she hopes that the day will enable people to talk about their own mental health and to help stem some worrying statistics.
With statistics like last year, the suicide in the under 25s increased by 23%. So suicide prevention is what Mental Health Foundation is working on or looking at. So self-care is very important. People like to get themselves little morning rituals to work on. I've just finished a youth mental health first aid course, which it was been an amazing resource. So it makes listening skills, listening to people if they come to you with something that you feel is very important.
The key is to listen and to remind people that you are there for them. For one person in attendance today, creative art journaling has already changed her life.
I mean, I went through cancer myself. I had cancer treatment a few years ago, and when I came out of the other side, I had lots of feelings that I couldn't really process and that I didn't understand. And I had an art journaling course with Debs, and I found it really useful because the things that I wasn't able to verbalise I could actually put down on paper, and it really helped me. Actually, it helped me to kind of pick through some of those mixed up feelings.
Our well-being should never be forgotten, and through the arts we can all look after ourselves in more ways than one.
I use art journaling actually. It's what I call a creative well-being tool, where you can use a journal where you can write down your thoughts and your feelings. You can cover them up so that nobody has to see what you've written. This is the sort of thing that I do. We use images and words, we make connections, and this is my creative well-being tool. This is what I go to. There's lots of other things, but I find that creativity is a great way to explore. It's non-judgmental.
It's hoped that anyone who suffers from a mental health condition has the support that they need. And Winchester has certainly proven that it is there for the people who need it. Harry Acton, That's TV.